Here is a candle, and here is a diagram of fire. Now, a candle is fire, and here are the three things that fire needs. The first one is fuel, which is the candle wax. Then there's heat, which is where you light it, and we'll come back to oxygen. Now I'm going to show you how or fire needs oxygen. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this bottle onto this jam jar onto the flame to see what happens. Now, they've trapped the air into the glass, and it needs oxygen. And with no air, it will finally go out. And when it goes out, the water will rise. You can now see that the water has risen, and we're going to move this elastic band down to where it's risen to. So that would be about there, don't you think? There. Awesome. And you can see that it's only used up roughly 20% of the air, because there is only 20% oxygen in air. The rest is all nitrogen. And all of the other gases like carbon dioxide. Today, we are going to make oxygen, and there's two products that you need for this. The first one is hydrogen peroxide, and the second one is manganese dioxide. This is what we're going to do. Put the lid on that. Where's that? Sorry about that. And now we're going to test it. Oh my God. I'm going to put some alcohol in here. Have you started it?
Ready when you are.
You started it?
Yep, we're all going. Quick, 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 quick. Way! And hold it up. Hold it up so we can see it. You did it better than me. Egg in a bottle.
Now we are going to add some bicarbonate of soda, 2 spoonfuls.
One more.
Okay. red paint. It came up.
I think you missed. Oh, our volcano missed.